me so bad. Hell is why he got all these bitches mad.
What's good? So let me get ready. I was first like debating if I was even gonna do my makeup at all beauty related today, but looks like that's what we're doing. Looks like that's on the agenda for us. So let's get into it. I'm on a big rebranding spree because I feel like when you're in business, sometimes as your business grows, you're still doing business as you did when you first started. And even if you first started very organized, very on point with everything, sometimes you can get lazy with that as you continue. So I am on rebranding my entire site, all of my inventory. I know what type of quality I want. I know what type of price points I want. I know what type of message I want. I know the purpose of it. So I need to give that. Because if I have the vision now, and I was waiting for like the full vision to come in, but like the full vision is never going to just all come in and swoop and slap you in the face. You start doing things, and as you do things, new stuff come to you, figure out how to like smooth it over. So I'm gonna take you guys on a whole journey of me rebranding my website as well, because and I just caught my camera at 222 because I know that's what's needed. And it's like, hey guys, so I just left the post office.
Hi, how may I help you?
Hello, I would like a large sweet iced tea with lemon.
Sure. Anything else?
And I will also like your everything stuffed bagel bites.
Everything in a bagel. Okay, and what else?
That's everything.
Come to the window.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great one. Can I have a straw for my iced tea? Perfect. My happiness should not be attached to this. Hey guys, so we're in a new location. I am in Atlanta. Yeah, I just got off the plane, like just got off the plane. Ooh, I thought I looked way worse than this. Y'all, let's talk about it. So on the plane, first off, somebody's child wasn't having it. It wasn't a good day. So they were acting up the whole entire time. It's okay. We still love the kids. But I'm in Atlanta for this week. I'm excited. They had both of my bags at baggage claim. I don't know why this time I was so nervous about like them losing a bag, but they didn't. So it's gonna be a good trip. On this trip, I was originally gonna come here with my homegirl. Like, my close friend had asked me to come down here for the weekend, but I told her, like, I don't really like weekend trips because you be craving, wish you would have done more. So I just like being here for a week. So she was supposed to come, but she's getting surgery now. So she's getting surgery the day before she was gonna come down. So she's not coming, but all of my college friends and stuff are like in town and I'm gonna see them. So that's really good. And I love Atlanta. Like, I have loved Atlanta since I want to say like 15 years old. It has been pulling on my heart to come here. And I just have so many like ideas of things I want to do and just expand. So I'm going to do something with like this, because I sweated. Y'all, I was so hot on that plane. So I'm about to like do something with that and start getting lit. And I'm going to show you guys what the place look like. So come on. Okay guys, so I ended up having to go to the grocery store today. Might as well get out the way, right? So we just got back. So let me show you guys what I ended up getting. So I know that I want to like continue to like eat healthy even though I travel. Because if I slipped my eating regimen just because I travel, y'all, you know what I mean? Like, I travel too much for stuff like that. So orange juice feel really good in the morning. I love orange juice when I first wake up. And I ended up having to like get all these other juices. But let me tell you about the story about this chocolate syrup. So on TikTok, I make coffee videos. But on the coffee videos, I always use, what do I use? I always use caramel. And they didn't have any there, or at least I couldn't find any. So we're not going to stop making our videos just because we have one minor setback. So I just got that, and then I still got the coffee that I use. And to be honest, I'm thinking about making, just making like all of my coffee videos early. So I might make like a lot of coffee videos tomorrow, so I don't even have to worry about it. So y'all can see the new. It is, y'all, I haven't had eggs in so long. Because I guess I ate eggs too much when I was in LA and got sick. And then I heard about how eggs is just as bad as like cigarettes for you. But that's my cheat. I'm eating eggs and yeah, some other things. But, and I found, I'm excited for this hummus. I had some roasted pepper hummus from this restaurant, and it was so good. And I wasn't really expecting it to be as good as it actually was, so I was really happy about that. So I'm about to put all this stuff away.
type of girl a nigga wish he had. See the type that if you get it, you could brag. Little shawty got her own and I like that. Hit the mall, she ain't worrying about the price tag. She got all these niggas, I ain't tryna wipe that.